How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are eager to dive into the world of Genshin Impact on your PC but unsure of how to get started, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through simple steps to download and install Genshin Impact for free on your PC. Yes, you heard it right, without even spending a single penny. Genshin Impact is an exciting game that has captured the hearts of many gamers worldwide. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily download and install it on your PC using the Epic Games Launcher. So before proceeding, ensure that you have the Epic Games Launcher installed on your PC. If you haven't already, watch our previous video tutorial on how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher. You can find the link in the card or description section below this video. Once you have installed it, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search bar, then search for Epic Games Launcher and open it. Once you are in the Epic Games Launcher, navigate to the search bar at the top and search for Genshin Impact. Click on the first search result. As you can see, the game is completely free and it's already in my library. If Genshin Impact is not already in your library, you will see the option to get it. Wait, I will demonstrate using another free game that I haven't added to library. For example, I will come back to store, navigate to free games and click on view more. Then I will select Rocket League. I have not added it to library. I will show the process adding Rocket League but follow the similar process for adding Genshin Impact to library. Tap on Get. Follow the checkout process by clicking on Place Order. Don't worry, it won't charge you anything since the game is free. Thank you pop-up will appear for successfully placing an order. Click on View in Library and you will be directed to Library section of Epic Games. As you can see, my Rocket League is added to library. Similarly, add Genshin Impact in library. After adding Genshin Impact to your library, click on the Genshin Impact card and select the installation path. Ensure you choose a path with sufficient space, preferably on an SSD, then click Install. Keep an eye on the download progress by clicking on the Downloads tab at the bottom left corner of the Epic Games Launcher. After the initial download, you will see the tab named Quick Launch with Genshin Impact game logo. Double-click on Quick Launch. The main game resource installation will begin. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. The file size is really large, that is 84.16 GB, so I will fast forward the downloading process. Once the installation is complete, click on Launch to start playing Genshin Impact on your PC. Finally, Genshin Impact game will start loading. You can sign in if you have an account already, then tap on Start Game. Or you can even create a new one by tapping on Register Now. Then enjoy exploring the vast world and epic adventure available inside Genshin Impact. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Genshin Impact on your PC for free. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.